Order 250 business cards for just $9.99 and get a car home delivery free.
Maxi!
They have got what I believe to be a fantastic business card, and it's served me quite well so far.
When Tom had a ball. When Gran was ground. When the princess turned into a frog. When Grandad went gangnam. When Davy fell in love with a bunny rabbit. The holidays were just £79 and 41 UK coastal locations. Save up to 30% today at parkresorts.com.
Direct Line Home Insurance means if your contents are stolen or damaged beyond repair, we'll replace them. You throw them. And right now, there's 30% off. It's good to deal direct, so take a Direct Line.
Going back to scribble.
After the comfort of the train and the air-conditioned mild cruise boat, I've finally come down to a real pub.
Who's on that? Let's see what the